Intro 10 seconds. Want fall off the bone short ribs in under 1 hour? This pressure cooker short ribs recipe gives you deep, rich flavors without the all-day wait. Let's get started. Ingredients 20 seconds. You'll need 3 pounds beef short ribs, salt and black pepper for seasoning, 2 TBSP olive oil, 4 cloves garlic minced, 1 onion chopped, 2 carrots diced, 1 cup red wine or beef broth, 1 cup beef broth, 2 sprigs fresh thyme and 1 bay leaf, 2 TBSP tomato paste. Step 1. Sear the ribs, 40 seconds. First, season your short ribs with salt and pepper. Heat your pressure cooker on sauté mode, add olive oil and sear each side for about 2-3 minutes until brown. This locks in flavor. Step 2. Build the flavor 40 seconds. Remove the ribs, then add onions, carrots, and garlic, stirring until softened. Stir in tomato paste and cook for a minute. Then pour in red wine to deglaze the pot, scraping up all those tasty bits. Step 3. Pressure cook, 40 seconds. Now return the short ribs to the pot. Add beef broth, thyme, and bay leaf. Then seal the lid. Set to high pressure for 45 minutes, then natural release for 10 minutes. Step 4. Finish and serve, 30 seconds. Once done, remove the ribs and strain the sauce. For a thicker sauce, simmer for a few minutes. Serve these tender, juicy short ribs over mashed potatoes or rice. Look at that rich, glossy sauce. Outro 10 seconds. This is the best way to make short ribs, quick, easy, and restaurant quality. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you'll be trying this recipe.